Welcome back to Pathoscope, the channel where psychology meets the machine. Today, we're asking a question that makes people pause. What happens when one AI replaces not one, but 10 jobs, all at once? This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. From content creators to legal analysts, customer support agents to software developers, AI is reshaping the job market faster than any previous revolution in history. But what does this mean for you? Let's break it down, job by job, and understand how this silent replacement is already underway. Once considered the untouchable elite of the tech world, software engineers are now co-working with AI that can write clean code in seconds. Tools like GitHub Copilot or Chat GPT can autocomplete code, suggest full-function logic, even debug faster than junior developers. Some companies now report that a single AI tool does the work of 3 junior devs. The result? Fewer entry-level roles, more pressure to oversee the machines. Psych impact: developers are experiencing role shrink. Their identity tied to complex problem-solving is being diluted. Now they're editors, not creators. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 can generate brand-ready designs in seconds. From logos to social media ads, businesses now skip the designer and let the AI brainstorm. Why this job is vulnerable? Speed: 1,000 iterations in minutes. Cost: AI is cheaper than hiring a freelance designer. Accessibility: anyone can now generate pro-level graphics. But here's the catch: while AI offers endless options, it lacks taste, context, and intuition, the very things that make design meaningful. If you've chatted with support recently, chances are it wasn't a human. AI chatbots have already taken over Tier 1 customer support in major industries: banking, retail, even healthcare. 24/7 support. Real-time learning via NLP. Never needs a break or salary. But there's something deeper here: empathy simulation. AI can mimic tone, patience, and politeness, but does that make it real? Psychologically, users still trust human agents more, for now. But as the tech improves, that distinction blurs. Apps like Wobot and Replica offer emotional support powered by conversational AI. They track your mood, offer CBT-based exercises, respond with empathy. It's not full therapy, yet, but the perceived emotional support is real. Some users say they feel more comfortable opening up to AI than a human. The danger? Overdependence. Users may bypass real human help, mistaking emotional simulation for true empathy. Need a blog post, product description, ad copy? AI can generate it in 30 seconds. Companies like BuzzFeed and CNET already use AI for content creation, quietly. Impact: fewer freelance gigs. Standardized, less creative content. SEO manipulation becomes easier. But here's the twist: human storytelling still wins in resonance and originality. For now. Lawyers spend hours reviewing documents and past cases. Now, AI tools can summarize and cross-reference legal data in seconds. Faster case prep. Lower paralegal demand. Fewer billable hours needed. This could make legal help cheaper, but also threatens entry-level legal positions. Instead of manually sifting through spreadsheets, AI tools now analyze trends, build dashboards, and write summaries. They predict outcomes, visualize patterns, explain data in plain English. Result: fewer junior data jobs. Analysts are becoming strategists rather than spreadsheet warriors. Tools like Descript and 11 Labs now clone voices, auto-cut videos, match music to tone. This is huge for content creators and businesses. But for voiceover artists and editors, fewer opportunities. Even YouTubers now create entire faceless videos, like this one, using AI from script to screen. Virtual assistants used to be human. Now, they're bots. They schedule meetings, reply to emails, handle admin. They're faster, cheaper, and tireless, making human PAs increasingly rare in startups and solo businesses. AI tutors are now available 24/7. From math help to history explanations, students now lean on bots more than books. AI doesn't replace great teachers, but it's becoming a co-teacher, reducing the need for one-on-one tutoring jobs and reshaping how we learn. AI isn't replacing jobs in a single file line. It's replacing roles, tasks, and even human connection, all at once. It's not about panic. It's about preparation. The question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, how do I evolve to work with it, or beyond it? If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Which of these roles do you think AI should never replace? This is Pathoscope, where psychology, AI, and the future intersect. See you in the next one.